Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Again, today is almost the end of May. Y'all, today is the 24th. Where did the month go? But as you can hear, I am feeling way much better. Of course, I'm still coughing just a little bit. I did buy some Delsum cough medicine from Amazon because I didn't feel like going to the store. Y'all, that medicine has been helping me a lot. I was able to get more rest than I have in the past however many days that this has been going on. Let's go ahead and talk about my second paycheck that I got paid back on the 15th, I believe. Yes, I got paid on the 15th. I do have my Magic Month paycheck coming Wednesday as well. Y'all, it's been rough. Let's talk about it. So, out of offering things like that, I do have $1,644.65. So, as of yesterday on the 23rd, overtime is officially gone. I worked my last overtime schedule yesterday. I can't believe it. Like, I've been working overtime almost a year next month. And I was hoping that it would have played out, at least got me to December, but it's okay. It's okay. Remember, when things are always changing, we always adjust, so it's totally fine. And I have everything already written out, as you can see, and we'll talk about the person that, won in this video as well. So, AT&T, y'all, tell me why AT&T, I looked at my bill and it showed that they charged me $5, no, $10, was it $5 more? Charged me $5 more because my account was not added on via ACH. And when it comes to ACH payments, that's when you have your routing number and account number. Tell me why I hurry up and send some folks a message and ask them, what was this? Because, yeah, I didn't. Typically, I get emails from AT&T. I always check my emails, but this time I didn't. They gave me a credit. Thank goodness. So, AT&T, $35.23. Term Life did get $30. Rent got $471. State Farm got $131. When it comes to phone, y'all, $181 is not correct. That's actually supposed to be $118, and I will change it. Let me do that now. And y'all, I noticed when it comes to me using whiteout, I have to use it upside down because I am left-handed. That's the only way. Okay, there we go. $118 for phone. And it's like that due to, I don't know what happened when it came to the last pay. I don't think I budgeted for it, but I don't know what happened. But I did add double the payment for the phone bill. So for NES, we do have $50. And I'm not sure what the next month, not next month, but the bill would be for, is it June or July? One of them, I don't know. So I sent NES their $50. Netflix, we do have $9 for a total of $844.23. And what's left is $800.42. Let's go ahead and talk about the debt payment. So for the debt payment this time, I did send $250 to car payment, and I went ahead and sent $75. I went ahead and sent $75 over to Navy Federal, and I did that because I've been using my card a lot, and I just needed to pay some of the expenses down from pretty much from when I went out of town for Mother's Day until today. So $325 with $475.42 left. Let's talk about savings. When it comes to my savings, I didn't save much this time, probably because I did pay some money towards Navy Federal, which was $75. But some savings is better than no savings at all, even if it's $10. So it all adds up. Ally did get $141.42. SoFi got $50. Navy Federal Savings Account got $5 for a total of $196.42. So we saved almost $200 this paycheck. And now we we don't have it now. So $279 left for variable expenses. Now, when it comes to the $279, let's talk about it. So, and I'm going to explain. So, the last time we talked about my budget, remember I did have $179 in cash, and I also had, I just got that back, $100. So I just got the $100 in cash back, and I already had the $179 before I went out of town. So some of the money from the $179, I did use it to, get gas, stuff like that. And I ended up sending $172 to Navy Federal. And for the cash that I have, which is $107, it's going to go $20 to gas, and I'm not really sure how much gas I got. I'm pretty sure I got a good amount because I haven't really went anywhere. Grocery, I'm going to do $50. Remember, I do get paid Wednesday, so this is totally fine. Spending $20. Fun doesn't get anything. Miscellaneous $7, and Jasmine gets $10. And what I'll do is just check to see what I can keep and save. Hopefully I can save most of this money. So that's how this budget went for the second paycheck so far. Let's go ahead and look at my spending. So when we look at the spending, when I had the $179 in cash, I spent $57 from that amount, and that's when I was out of town. I also spent $59.41 on Amazon, and that was for Mother's Day. So for the expenses now, all come from this paycheck here. So Discover $7.93 on the 22nd. And then everything is in order. May the 15th, $4.88. On the 16th, $54.64. And I would have looked to see what was what, but most likely this was, cough medicine, cough drops, things like that, stuff that I needed, stuff Jasmine needed, all of that type of stuff. So Walmart, $94.94, which for Walmart, the $94 was groceries and household together. I needed, gloves, things like that. On the 20th, $26.92. Of course, it's from Walmart again. I believe I went into the store, had to grab some stuff. Amazon, $30.70. I'm pretty sure it's more cough medicine, cough drops, anything medicine related. Jasmine got some stuff as well. Soups, because you know you can buy soup on Amazon and get it the next day or overnight, which I was totally fine with. I did not feel like leaving the house. And $37.10. Now, I know what that's for because I just got that in the mail. What did I buy? Oh shoot, I already forgot. If I'm not mistaken, I bought, I don't remember. That's bad. The $3.94 on the 23rd of May. I ended up getting whiteout, which we just saw. The $65.50. I did buy my sister a dress for her birthday. Her birthday is on the 29th. And I also bought my mom a dress as well. Of course, my sister, she don't know what she got in the mail. She don't know that anything is coming. But I sent it all to my mom's house. And y'all, it was so funny because my mom, when she video chat, she used Messenger. Now, mind you, I had to teach her how to do all of these things, and we were on the phone and I was sending her pictures of different dresses and things for my sister, sort of like as if we were at the store. We spent a little over an hour looking for a dress for my sister's birthday. I will try to post the picture, and that's it so far. So whatever this equals up to is going to get paid. I know for a fact that I need, if I'm not mistaken, I need to have exactly $128 and 90 some cents. So 100, let's just say $129. So I still have $98 and some change from the last month that I can use, along with some other cash, maybe some cash from March Madness that will take care of all of credit card related things, and everything will be back to normal. But I'll go ahead and insert a clip in now. Congratulations to the winner. We've already talked. You already have your money, so no one needs to contact me in regards to winning. Bye, y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Good morning, y'all. Let's go ahead and get the giveaway winner. Remember, I did say to be a public subscriber. Of course, you can filter that in when it comes to YouTube. And if we, can I take this off? Okay, if we go to public subscriber, as you can see, no one had the keyword, which was Barbie Bash. Most likely didn't make it to the end of the video except for Tara. And by the time you all see this video, I would have already sent Tara the money. That way nobody tried to pretend to be her or anything like that. So congratulations. That's why I always say, when it comes to videos, always watch until the end, because you never know when someone is going to have a giveaway. So again, congrats, Tara. And I know this $20 will be able to help you in some way. Bye.